Crude oil yet again stayed bullish and now it has moved closer towards 74.4 levels, though it is yet to break beyond 74.5 and bridge the gap towards 75. Can we expect it to move towards 75 today? The long-term targets which we have been waiting for, can we expect oil to achieve it today? While natural gas also has seen the support from 3.25 levels. Remember, I have mentioned in my update yesterday also, and then as long as 3.26, 3.24 is respected for net, we should be cautious here with the sell. So can we expect a rise in net gas as well? Let's see. With the help of charts and indicators, we'll try to find out the levels at which you can take a trade with profits. This is the first update for the day. Next update will be released before the US session. The subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel membership here on YouTube to support them. Let's start first to look into crude oil, followed with net gas. Watch till now. See oil on the early charts clearly taking the support from the 20 period, also clearly delivering higher lows, higher highs. Now it is very important for oil to break beyond 74.5, 74.6 zone, or rather I will say 74.4, 74.6 zone, which is ideally a good resistance zone, because beyond this I am waiting for 75, and in fact beyond 75 is 75.8, 76 zone should be there very soon. Now yesterday one thing I have mentioned, that once it stays beyond 75, we are 74, we are looking forward to a good rise. Yesterday it tried to stay in a very narrow zone. See the support levels at 73.4, 73.6 proven out to be a greater one, and then it has seen this bullishness here. Moving averages trading with divergence and bullishness. Stochastic has dropped a bit light now looking downwards. The MACD is still in green, the RSI is flat at top. On the two, the observation is more or less same on the 2 hour charts. A retracement 50 period towards 50 period trying to bounce back. Just I will wait for it to break beyond for 74.4, 74.6 zone, which should be a good support. And now see what has happened. Look at the support it has taken from the 20 period, and thus again today 73.6, 73.4 is something you should watch out for. These levels are definitely going to remain critical. Also notice, see previously this was trading with this slope, and now it is created another bottom here. So let me connect these bottom at the top here. Now this appears to be at the median as of now. Now see this median line, if you draw, previously this was the resistance. Now it has become the support here, and now it is acting as a resistance. So now once it stays beyond 74.4, 74.6, we are looking forward to 75, and then beyond 75, ideally my targets are towards 75.8, 76 levels very soon. Stochastic overbought trying to cool down. MACD has crossed over here, it is looking upwards, staying bullish. RSI is at top. On the 3 hour charts, the observation, also notice on the 3 hour chart, see right now it is delivering lower highs and lower lows. So anyways, you have to wait for it to break beyond 74.4, 74.6 zone in order to confirm a breakout here. While on the downside now, see below 73.8 is where slight bearishness to be seen, and then only and only if you see oil below 73.4, you can expect more bearishness. Yes, it is overbought here, while the crossover here is again a good sign for the bulls on MACD. RSI flat on the 4 hour charts, and the observation is similar. It was trading with too much of divergence. It has come down to take the support from the 20 period. Yesterday I mentioned one thing, that it has taken the support, it can bounce back. It has certainly breached the highs at 74 and now trading bullish here. Look at the moving averages, trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards. Stochastic overbought here, MACD trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. RSI is flat at top. Coming to now, I have been shouting for a buy in oil since long now. I have mentioned several times a quadruple bottom and a squeeze is formed, and now it is looking forward to rise retracement. Now see, this is the second leg of bullishness here. This is trading in this channel here, rise retracement, rise, and now the support levels for this channel are towards 72. So any drop in crude oil till towards 72, and as long as it respects 72, I will not be treating this as bearish. Moving averages here are also crossed over and are trading with bullishness here, looking upwards. Another thing to note, it is just at the verge of breaking beyond the Bollinger Band. See, Bollinger Bands have narrowed for months and weeks, and now these are expanding. The stochastic has dropped from the overbought zone. MACD rising, divergent, bullish, looking upwards. The RSI is also at the top. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the levels. And if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So first thing is where you should buy. I will recommend you to buy if you see Oil trading beyond 74.4 levels. Yes, you can buy at 74.4. Expect 74.6 as the first target, 75 as the second, 75.5 as the third, and then 75.8, 76. 75.8, 76 is achievable, and this should be a greater resistance for crude oil on the upside for the recent times, because beyond this, the next targets are towards 78, 79. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 73.8. Be careful at 73.6 and 73.4 levels. If these two levels are taken, stay short for 73, 73.1 as the first target. And if that is also taken, then you can say that the bears are back. 72.4, 72.5 should be there, and then 72 levels should appear. Greater support levels here. Remember, as I've mentioned, till 72, it is respecting the channel. Below 72 is where the bears will be seen here. Let's see which direction it gives a breakout. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's move to natural. See, net gas on the hourly charts again. After hitting the highs, after the gap up, it is retraced and now finding the support. It is trying to bounce back. Remember, this is the gap which it is delivered towards the beginning of the week. It is retraced towards the same zone and now trying to bounce back. So now again, if you see net gas trading above 3.3 and 3.35, now these are the two levels it needs to break in order to turn bullish. Notice what is happening for net gas here. Drop, retracement, drop. It could retrace towards where? Retrace towards the top of this, which means as long as now 3.35, 3.4 zone is not taken, do not treat this as bullish for the day. So yes, a little retracement cannot be denied, but the bullish confirmation in net gas is only and only if it trades above 3.4. While on the downside, it is still there is still a little left for it to achieve here. So any move below 3.252 zone is where you can say more bearishness should prevail. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. Wait for a crossover here. RSI is comfortable at the bottom. On the 2 hour, the observation is more or less same. See, first of all, the bearishness getting diminished. Look at this leg and this leg. Second is it is finding a support, so a bounce back from here can lead towards 3.35, 3.4 zone, which should be a greater resistance zone. So now if you see it is staying above 3.3, you can buy for 3.325, 3.3536 as the second, and then 3.4 levels. Beyond 3.4 is where you can confirm that net gas is for a reversal, and then any break beyond 3.5 is a clear sign of a stronger rally ahead. Stochastic oversold, the MACD is bearish, trying to convert. The RSI is flat here near to the bottom. On the 3 hour charts and on the 3 hour charts, also similar observation. Only worry point here in the near term is what we are seeing is the crossover in the moving averages and the divergence here. This is a slight bearish sign, but the divergence of the price from the moving average calls for it to converge, and that is why also I say a possibility of a move towards 3.36, 3.4 zone exists, but that should be a greater resistance zone, and it has to now break beyond 3.5 in order to confirm the bullishness today. That is the level beyond which it is going to be treated as strongly bullish. Right now it is on the path of retracement, and thus you can buy at 3.3 levels. If you see it is staying above 3.3, more bullishness should prevail. The stochastic oversold here, MACD is bearish here, and the RSI is flat on the 3 hour charts. On the 4, the observation is similar here on the 4 hour charts. Remember, the week started with a gap up here, and see what we did is discuss that this is creating a channel of its own, slightly lower lows, lower highs. Hitting the lower highs, it is trying to reverse. So can we expect it to move towards the bottom, which is right now create stated or situated at around $3.13 levels here? Right now I can see a bit of support coming in towards 3.24 and 3.2 zone, which should be a greater support zone here for natural gas. Stochastic oversold, MACD trading bearish, RSI is flat here at the bottom. Coming to the daily, likewise on the daily chart, similar observation, lower highs here. And now also I can see one more important point here is the support it is taking from the 50 period moving average. So today is going to be one critical day, as the direction it takes is going to remain important. It has to come out of this consolidation zone. Also you can see uh, the size of the magnitude of the body here. You can see diminishing bearishness here. So we have to wait for it to stay below 3.24, 3.2 zone, which will confirm further bearishness here. Stock Stochastic is oversold here. The MACD is right now trading with divergence, looking downwards, suggesting a slight bearishness. RSI has dropped here. So considering this, now I will recommend you to buy natural gas only at $3 levels, where 3.3 levels, because beyond you can expect 3.325, 3.36, then 3.4 levels. Beyond 3.4 is where the bulls are. And as I said, it is very important for natural gas to trade beyond 3.5 in order to confirm reversal. Yes, I'll still not be treating this as bearish. Yes, if you notice on the daily charts, it is natural gas which Always a bigger drop follows with a bigger rise, and thus now the drop is done and possibility of a reversal cannot be denied. However, on the downside, if you now see it is staying below 3.2524 zone, that is the point of time you can say now it is time for us to stay short in net gas. Expect 3.2 as the first target, and then in fact 3.14, 3.1, and $3 level should be there soon. Though today might not be the day, or it is definitely going to be difficult for net gas to breach below 3 any point of time. So take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day.